Sikkim is one of the most fascinating states of India. Situated in the eastern Himalayas, it spreads below Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world. It is one of the smallest states of India whose shape is in the form of a thumb. Sikkim is landlocked by West Bengal, Bhutan, and Nepal. Gangtok is the capital and the largest town of Sikkim. Sikkim is also home to some rare animals and birds. The snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, red panda, musk deer, and blue sheep are some of the rare animals found in this place. Birds like vultures, eagles, the whistling thrush, bulbuls, pigeons, etc. can also be spotted in the forest. The diet of Sikkim is mainly non-vegetarian. Noodle-based dishes like thukpa, chow mein, wontons and fakthu are common in Sikkim. Momos are also a very popular dish which is served with soup. The houses of Sikkim are very simple. They are made from bamboo and are lined with cow dung. In some places, higher on the mountains, the houses are made of wood. Sikkim is famous for its beautiful arts and crafts, which include carpets and articles made of woven bamboo. The people of Sikkim wear gaily colored costumes, masks, swords, and sparkling jewels. Due to its scenic beauty, Sikkim attracts many tourists. People visit Sikkim not only to enjoy the view but also for mountaineering, trekking, river rafting, yak safari, mountain biking, and hang gliding. Recently, Sikkim has got its first airport. Its name is Pangyong Airport.